Sadhana is a challenge of infancy. Sadhana is not the reward of old age. Whatever we are supposed to do, we must start earlier, and that too in time. I am pleased looking you all youngsters, Eastern and Western, present here and listening to Bapuji, having his darshan, having his grace and having his aura. You are every moment receiving as prasad. If we are passing through the garden, we can have fragrance, and if we are passing beside the gutter, what can we get? But selection is not ours. We are not competent to select. We are destined to drive on the road of life. Our circling track will take us to the destruction. Circling track will take us to the disaster. Circling track will take us to the chaos. But if it is vertically arranged, Guru can arrange it. It is the signal moment can arrange it, and it is the divine grace that can arrange it. So we may have divine grace, then only we can change our horizontal mobility into vertical mobility. And unless horizontal and vertical mobilities are clubbed together, we cannot have our eligibility as human being. And eligibility of human being is mental, ascent of the mental consciousness. Vasudevananda Swami Maharaj received that signal, and ultimately Vasudevananda Swami Maharaj got himself turned and became Vasudevananda Swami Maharaj. Realized the Prakriti of Lord Dattatreya in himself. Realized the Prakriti of Sri Nusi Saraswati Swami Maharaj, Sripad Vallabh Swami Maharaj, and ultimate reality of Lord Dattatreya. It's a channel, and that channel is working through Bapuji. Even today, as Bapuji also used to receive so many signals from Babji. Bapuji received one signal from Babji after his departure at Haridwar. Was frustrated, was desperate, was feeling that I was cheated by my Guru. He wanted Rang Avadhut Babji to be there in leech. That is attachment to the space. As we have got attachment to our body, similarly we have got attachment to our motherland, we have got attachment to our native place, we have got attachment to our native house. So naturally, Bapuji wanted Rang Avadhut Babji to be there in leech, and not that leech will be glorified, not that ashram of Bapuji will be gratified, not that all over the world that piece of land, a very ordinary piece of land in Uttar Gujarat will get that much of importance that it has been chosen by the divine. It's not for that. But he was in constant urge and search of submitting and surrendering himself to the divine, Rang Avadhut Babji, the divine himself, the supreme himself, Lord Dattatreya himself, Krishna consciousness itself. So at his last moment, at least I can bow down at her lotus feet, so that will glorify my birth, that will give me a right turning point, that will give me a right motion. That was his prayer, lifelong. And that is why he committed himself to the seva, bhakti, committed himself to the surrender. And Babji left his body in Haridwar. So he was on fast, he left everything. Food, water, everything he left out. He was prepared to give up his body. Why? My Guru has cheated me. Why my Guru has not informed me? Why my Guru did not give any intimation to me, which was my expectation, not my expectation, which was my privilege of my prayer. That is master act. As I told you yesterday, prayer is a master act. And master act means you can move your master. You can ask your master, you can compel your master to do certain things. It's not that we are to obey our master and we are to obey the divine. If we are eligible enough, we can make our masters also move accordingly. But our mind should be pure. Our mind should be innocent. Our mind should be, Sri Aurobindo says, virgin. Yoga is a journey from barren consciousness to virgin consciousness. It should be virgin. Virgin Mary gave birth to Lord Jesus Christ. And Virgin Kunta gave birth to Karna. It's not a story. It's not anecdote. It is a science of creation. It's a velocity of creation. It's a velocity of creating something better than what we are. So, Bapuji frustrated and he left all these things and entered into willful penance, willful tapascharya. Muslim used to keep roja and entered into this tapascharya. But it is a ritual most of the times. This is not ritual. This is the inner urge, master act, prayer of the psychic, prayer of the soul. And Rangavdut Babji heard his prayer. Though he was in Leech and Babji left his body in Hardwar. Thereafter, after 18 days, everything, all rituals were completed, finished off. And thereafter he got the vision. Bapuji got the vision. It's not a thought, not imagination, not dream. Got the vision. Refer to Guru Lilamrit, Adhyay 122 and Dohra 122. What is 122? Why 122, 122 referred to by Rangavdut Babji to Bapuji? 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5. Adhyay 122 means 5. And Dohra 122 means 5. Numerological value is there. Value of quantum is there. Value of potential energy is there. It was written in advance. It was not written for somebody else. It was written for Bapuji himself. And as 122, 122, 5 means our Panchmahabhut, our body. That is to be given a turning point. And the Panchmahabhut, the body of Lord Dattatreya, that is also divine matter. As I yesterday told you, there are 3 different layers of matter. Inert matter, human matter, divine matter. Matter is matter. If inertia is there, matter becomes inert. If humanity is there, matter becomes human. And if divinity is there, it automatically becomes divine. It's not merely a story. The actual event that took place in the life of Bapuji, and Bapuji is still present before us. He is still present before us. He is showering his blessings. Whatever he has, he is distributing in abundance to all. But how did he get all these things? How did he receive all these things? How he became fortunate to receive the grace of the divine directly from the Supreme? And that दोहरो कारण के जन दृष्टि थी त्यागे सिद्ध शरीर. This is 122. तोय सर्वांतर विषे रहे नित्य धीर. Even after the giving up of body, after giving up one's own physicality, giving up one's own Panchmahabhut 1, 2, 2, giving up Panchmahabhut into ashes, he is still there. He is still active. He is still blessing, He is still working, He is still holding our hands, He is still walking as our companion for births together. Sri Aurobindo has written, Siddha Sarir, Rang